always scared that I'm going to be in a situation where I won't know what to do, whether it's my car is on the freeway and it's broken down on the freeway, or maybe I'm on a path that I don't want to be on, career-wise.
Kind of the fact that it's huge, like there's so many things to do and so many things that I don't know how to do, and there's just a lot of gears that need to be put into motion that I'm not sure how to do yet.
The real world is pretty scary. I think there's a lot of unknowns, but I think the biggest thing for me is not having anybody there with you, being alone. But I've also learned that surrounding yourself with the right people really helps everything.
Probably that I'm on my own. I don't really have anyone to lead me in the right path, so it's my decision and my say goes.
Not knowing anything, just kind of being on my own and just being stuck.